Here's a brief explanation and steps to make a research introduction. The introduction is the first part of your research paper or thesis that your readers will see, and it's an essential part of your work. A good introduction sets the tone for the rest of your paper and provides background information that helps readers understand the purpose and significance of your research. Here are the steps to make a research introduction. Start with a hook. Grab your reader's attention with a hook that's related to your topic. This could be an interesting fact, a quotation, or a personal story that connects to your research. Introduce your topic. After your hook, introduce your topic and provide some background information on it. Explain why it's important and what previous research has been done on the subject. State your research question or thesis. The research question or thesis statement is the central idea of your paper. State it clearly and concisely in your introduction so your readers know what to expect from the rest of your work. Explain your research approach. Describe your research methodology, including the research methods you'll be using and why you've chosen them. This will help your readers understand how you'll be conducting your research. Outline the structure of your paper. Briefly describe the structure of your paper, including the main sections and what each section will cover. This will help your readers navigate your work and understand how you've organized your ideas. Provide a roadmap. End your introduction with a roadmap that previews the main points you'll be making in your paper. This will help your readers anticipate the key arguments you'll be making and keep them engaged throughout your work. Remember that your introduction should be clear, concise, and engaging. By following these steps, you can create an effective introduction that sets the stage for your research and hooks your readers from the very beginning.